Hey guys, no lotto lecture today, but I decided to go ahead and update my Florida Lottery tier list so everything is good for tomorrow's video. If you're new here, the way this tier list is structured is on the left side here. We have percentages based on how much better or worse they are right now than when they launched. I've got the game name here, what their top prizes are worth in instant cash value right here, the number of top prizes they've got left, its top prize per $300 worth of adjusted odds, its overall odds per ticket, its average book return, and obviously where it is placed on the list. There were some things that happened over break. Some tickets moved, so I'll go over that briefly real quick. Scorching Hot Sevens overtook 500 times the cash. 5 times Lucky went ahead and overtook Break the Bank. And 2 million Gold Rush Multiplier, which was our biggest gainer, overtook Florida Big Bills and 25 million Gold Rush Multiplier. People must be buying this ticket a lot because it moved up quite a bit from when I last had it up on here. Tomorrow's video, I'm going to cover Double Diamond Cash Word, the new $10 ticket that just came out. I hope to see you guys there. And yeah, that's about it. Just a quick little update video today. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 5:45 p.m. EST.